The Israeli Defense Forces have uncovered a rigged tunnel in the Gaza Strip containing confined cells where approximately 20 hostages were reportedly held by Hamas. The military describes the conditions inside the tunnel as harsh and inhumane. Soldiers walked about a kilometer in the tunnel, situated approximately 20 meters underground, and discovered a central chamber where hostages, based on testimonies from those who returned from Gaza, were believed to spend a significant portion of their time, according to Rear Admiral Daniel Hagari, a military spokesperson. Upon discovery, no hostages were present in the tunnel, according to the report. The holding area included 5 narrow rooms behind metal bars, equipped with toilets, mattresses, and even drawings by a child hostage who had been liberated during a November truce, as conveyed by Rear Admiral Daniel Hagari, a military spokesperson. The Israeli military shared images from the subterranean structure and facilitated the presence of journalists to document the tunnel before its subsequent destruction. The tunnel entrance, Hagari said, was in the house of a Hamas member in the southern Gaza city of Khan Yunis, where Israel has been focusing its fight in recent weeks against the Palestinian Islamist group. The soldiers entered the tunnel where they encountered terrorists, engaging in a battle that ended with the elimination of the terrorists, Hagari said. The tunnel was rigged with blast doors and explosives, he said. According to the testimonies we have, about 20 hostages were held in this tunnel at different times under harsh conditions, without daylight, in dense air with little oxygen, and terrible humidity that makes breathing difficult, he said. Some of them were released about 50 days ago, and some are still held in Gaza and may be under even harsher conditions, including very elderly people who need medication and help, Hagari added. A week-long truce mediated by Qatar resulted in the release of some hostages, while more than 130 individuals captured during Hamas' October 7 attack in southern Israel remain in Gaza. In central Tel Aviv, thousands of people took to the streets on Saturday, demanding the return of hostages and calling for early elections to remove Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. Demonstrators carrying signs branding Netanyahu as the face of evil marched through Habima Square, a frequent protest site. Similar protests occurred in Haifa and outside the Prime Minister's residence in Jerusalem, all urging the safe return of the hostages.